Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 68 divided by 34 is equal to 2. Then again 68 divided by 34 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS PEM TAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, now 68 divided by 34 is equal to 2. Divide 68 divide 34. Okay, now 2 divide 68 can be written as 2 upon 68 divide 34. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 2 upon 68 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction 34 is equal to 1 upon 34. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34 is equal to 1 divide 34 multiply 34 is equal to 1156. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 upon 1156.